guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the like button. We all want a smooth body texture without spending a lot of money. So today I'm going to share my skincare routine that I usually do before taking a bath to get a smooth and soft body texture. So let's get started. Number one, you have to use a body oil that is easily available in the market. You can use any body oil that is available in the market. I have these two body oils. The first one is the Kieokapen herbal body oil, and the second one is the Himalaya stress relief massage oil, right? So these are easily available in the market, and what you need to do is you need to apply a little bit amount on your body. So my personal favorite is the Kieokapen body oil. This contains olive oil, neem and haldi, so it has a really good nice smell if you see. So I'm gonna apply some of in my hand, and then I'm gonna massage it, and then I'm gonna apply a little bit on my arm just to show you. Okay, I'm gonna massage it in a circular motion so that my skin absorbs it very well. So I'm gonna keep on massaging for about 2-3 minutes so that the oil absorbs in my skin very well. After it absorbs in the skin, I'm gonna wait for around half an hour, and then I'm gonna take a bath so that the oil stays in the body and moisturize the skin very well from inside and out. A massage oil is very good for your skin. So what it does is moisturize your skin very well from inside out, and it also helps it stress relief and body aches and relaxes the body. It helps. Number two, apply a Multani Mitti pack or a face pack that is available in the market. I have this Multani Mitti powder that is available in the market. You can use this for the face, skin and hair care also. So what I'll do is I'll just add a little bit of this Multani Mitti. You can see I have added 2 teaspoons. Okay, to this I will add besan, that is gram flour. Okay, I'm gonna add this, and I'm gonna add again 2 teaspoons of this. Okay, so once I've added this, I'll add some of turmeric powder. So turmeric powder is really good. A little pinch of it will be fine, but I'll just 1/4 of it, so it helps. I'm gonna mix all the ingredients together. Okay, like this, and you can see. Okay, and now I'm gonna add a little bit of gulab jal that I have here. I have kept the gulab jal in a bottle like this, so I'm gonna add a little bit of gulab jal here, around a teaspoon or so. Okay, then I'll add some of the I have this glycerin here, so I'm gonna add 1 cap. I have added 1 cap in it, so you can see I'm gonna mix it all together. Okay, so you can see it is still dry. I'll add a little bit of water. Okay, I'm gonna mix it well. I just had to add some milk as well, so I'll add some few drops of milk. I just added a lot. Okay, so you get a mixture something like this. This is a very thin mixture, if you can see. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to apply this mixture on your body. So I'm gonna apply a slight of this on my arm. As you've added gram flour, it will help to scrub the body. It will act as a scrub. You have to scrub it in a circular motion for like 2-3 minutes. Okay, and scrub it very well. Okay, keep this for around 1 or 2 minutes, and then I'm gonna wash it off. So for the time, I'm going to wash it off with a towel. I'll just show you. So as you can see, my skin is clean here. Okay, so this pack is really nice, and it also helps you to act like a scrub. It has glycerine to moisturize your skin, as well as it has haldi in it. It has milk in it, and see gram flour and multani mitti. Multani mitti is obviously a favorite, and is it can be available in the kitchen, as you can see. So this is really good. Okay, and it smells good. It smells more like gram flour, smell of haldi. So I think this is really nice. So I think you should try this, and you have to wash it off after 2-3 minutes. So third is to apply a body wash on your body. So I have this Dove Purely Pampering Shea Butter with warm vanilla. My two favorite body washes are the Pears Natural Coconut Body Wash and this one. So I'm currently using this Dove Purely Pampering Shea Butter and warm vanilla. So this is really nice. This has a very good smell of shea butter, and this is currently my favorite, so I recommend you guys to use this one. So you can always use a soap as well, because the soap and body wash are just the alternative of each other. But I think that body wash is a little bit mild. You can apply this body wash on the area that you have applied this multani mitti pack that I have mentioned earlier. So this will not only help you to get rid of the dirt and the residue of the multani mitti, but also it will help you to nourish your skin, and it will smell so good. And even after using this, you will not need any lotion to apply on it. Trust me, really, you really don't need to apply a body lotion on it also. It is so soft and so nice. You'll really love it. So I'm gonna try and apply a little bit on my arm. I'm gonna just slowly massage in circular motion. See, it is like soapy texture. I'm gonna add some water and just okay. So I have this hand scrub as well that I bought from Amazon. This is really nice alternative of a loofah actually. So you just need to wear this on your in your hand, and it's like a glove, and you can add a few drops of water and you can just scrub in a circular motion like this. This will not only wash the residue off, but it will also, it can scrub your skin very well, and you'll remove all the dirt out. It smells so good. Oh my god, you guys, you should try this. This smells really nice. I'm gonna remove this and wipe it with a towel like this. Okay, so I really recommend you this body wash. I really like this. This is one of my favorite, and I think using a body wash will always help you to clean all the dirt and all. So please try it and let me know. So last but not the least, the fourth one is to apply a body lotion on it. So as I mentioned earlier, after using this body wash, you don't need to apply a body lotion, but in case that if you're not using this, you can use a body lotion as well. So body lotion again is really important. Okay, so it nourishes your skin very well. My two favorite again are the Vaseline body lotion. All the body lotions in Vaseline, either the cocoa butter, the green one, the aloe vera one, or the yellow one. So anything will suit me. So currently I'm using the Parachute body lotion coconut milk. So these days many products have this coconut milk in it, and it is really nice. Even the body wash that I was using earlier was the Pears coconut body wash. That was very nice and very soft. This coconut milk Parachute body lotion is really nice. So I'm gonna apply some of on my hand. And voila, it smells really nice. So I'm gonna apply it in a circular motion, and this is really nice. It is so moisturizing and so nice. Even you know, if I scratch my skin, I don't see that white thing on my skin, so it is not at all dry. Smells so good. That's about it. If you try all these things, I think that you'll really like it and you'll get a soft skin. If you'll as you can see that these days we are in a quarantine days, and you can try these things now at home. So I used to try this on Sundays because you know I was free all day, but since we are at home, we can try this thrice in a week, and after 1 or 2 months you can see the difference in your skin. Now you're gonna have a soft, smooth, and you know, good smelling skin, and you're gonna love your body for that matter. So please try it and let me know, okay? So that's all about my skincare routine for today, and I hope you like my video. And if you like my video, please hit the like button, and if there's any queries, so please let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself, and I love you. I'll see you guys. Bye bye.